Good evening, guys. Our topic is all about machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence, or AI for short, that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on the development of a computer programs that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. What is the purpose of machine learning? Is to discover pattern in your data and then make predictions based on often complex patterns to answer business questions, to seek and analyze trends and help solve problems. What is the objective of machine learning? The goal of machine learning is often true, not always, to train a model on historical level data. Example, data for which the outcomes is known. In order to predict the value of some quantity on the basis of a new data item for which the target value classification is unknown. What is the importance of machine learning? The importance of machine learning is the core sub-area of artificial intelligence. It makes computers get into a self-learning mode without explicit programming. When feed new data, this computer learn, grow, change, and develop by themselves. The machine learning is a way of data to create an analytical model. It is an artificial branch of knowledge from system ideas that can be learned from the data and identify patterns to make decisions with a minimal human intervention. Because of modern technology in calculating machine learning, today is not the same as a learning machine in the past. It was born from recognizing the pattern and theory that computers can learn without having to program. The capabilities to create fastest fake of self-driving is the essence of machine learning. And you can ask recommendation online offers from Amazon and Netflix that will help you a fastest way to grow and change your systems. We should know what customers are saying about your system strength. That will help you a linguistic role of creation. To discover the fraud is one important uses in our world today. This is the beginning that will help us to make stronger the machine learning to meet this as popular, unlike in the past, of data processing. This is all means that we can learn as quick possible to produce and analyze the bigger data or more complex data and deliver it faster and accurately result. The capabilities to cater the high data on your system. Machine learning algorithms is the first and more advanced study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience, it is seen as a subset of artificial intelligence. There are 8 types of algorithm machine learning. Linear regression is a linear approach to modeling the relationship between a scalar response and one or more explanatory variables. Logistic regression is used to model the probability of a certain class or event existing, such as pass, fail, win or lose, alive or dead, or healthy or sick. This can be extended to model several classes of events, such as determining whether an image contains a cat, dog, lion, etc. Decision tree is a decision support tool that uses a tree-like model of a decision and their possible consequences. Support vector machine are supervised learning models with associated learning algorithms that analyze data for classification and regression analysis. Naive Bayes are a family of simple probabilistic classifiers based on applying Bayes' theorem with a strong independence. K-nearest neighbor is a non-parametric method proposed by Thomas Cover, used for classification and regression in both cases. The input consists of K-closets. Training example is the feature space. K-means clustering is a method of vector quantization, originally from signal processing, that aims to partition an observation into K-cluster. Random forests are an ensemble learning method for classification, regression, and other tasks that are offered by constructing a multitude of decision trees at training time and outputting the class that is the mode of the classes, or mean average prediction of individual trees. Who using it? Machine learning. Of course, the financial services, government, health worker, retail, and all costs, because they will need to secure their business. Supervised learning typically begins with an established set of data and a certain understanding of that data and a pattern, and a certain understanding of how that data is classified. Semi-supervised learning is a combination of unsupervised and supervised, allows for the algorithm to learn from a small amount of labeled text document while still classifying a large amount of unlabeled text document in a training data. Example, text document classifier. Unsupervised is used when the problem requires a massive amount of unlabeled data. For example, social media applications such as Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat all have large amount of unlabeled data. Reinforcement. The system learns through that and error. Therefore, a sequence of successful decisions will result in the process being reinforced because it will solve the problem at hand. Thank you for listening.